The insomniac's night. External and internal disruptions to sleep. A good night's sleep is a fundamental human need, as crucial for our well being as food and water. Yet millions struggle with insomnia, a condition affecting not just nights but our entire lives, impacting mood, energy levels, and concentration. To regain restful nights, it's important to understand the external and internal factors that contribute to insomnia. External factors: the world around us. Our sleep environment plays a significant role in regulating our sleep wake cycle. Environmental disruptions can throw this delicate balance off, making it difficult to fall asleep or stay asleep. Light. Darkness triggers melatonin release, a hormone that signals sleepiness. Bright light, especially in the evening from electronic devices or artificial lighting, suppresses melatonin production and disrupts the sleep cycle. Noise. Even low level noises like traffic, a snoring partner, or a barking dog can interrupt sleep or prevent it altogether. Temperature. A bedroom that's too hot or too cold can disrupt sleep. The ideal sleep temperature is typically 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit, 15.5 to 19.4 degrees Celsius. Uncomfortable bedding. An uncomfortable mattress, pillows that don't provide proper support, or scratchy sheets can all make it hard to relax and fall asleep. Internal factors. The battles within our internal state also significantly impacts our ability to sleep. Stress and anxiety. The worry and racing thoughts that come with stress and anxiety can keep our minds active, making it difficult to switch off and fall asleep. Depression. This mental health condition can disrupt sleep patterns, leading to insomnia or excessive sleepiness. Depression can also cause early morning awakenings. Medical conditions. Medical conditions like chronic pain, heartburn, or sleep apnea can cause discomfort or breathing problems, interrupting sleep. Medications. Some medications, including antidepressants, stimulants, and some medicines for high blood pressure, may have sleep disrupting side effects. Substance use. Alcohol and caffeine may initially make you feel drowsy, but they disrupt sleep quality later in the night, leading to fragmented sleep and frequent awakenings. The mind body sleep connection. There's a well established connection between mental health and sleep. Insomnia is often a symptom of an underlying mental health condition like anxiety or depression. Conversely, chronic sleep problems can increase the risk of developing mental health issues. Poor sleep affects emotional regulation, stress hormone balance, and memory consolidation. This can worsen existing mental health issues or make us more vulnerable to developing them. Insomnia can feel like a thief, stealing precious sleep and impacting our well being. However, recognizing both internal and external factors that contribute to it, you can make simple yet effective changes to address any underlying issues. Stick to a regular sleep schedule, create a calm bedtime routine, and optimize your sleep environment. If insomnia persists, consult a doctor or sleep specialist to identify and address any underlying issues. Remember, with the right approach, restful nights and refreshed mornings are within reach.